Yes, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Lady K Ifeoluwa show. The beautiful baby of Yoruba nation. Àbí mi ò fine ni. Baba ṣe ni mi ò fine, monkey no fine, mama like am. Ẹjọ́ tó yọ lọ́wọ́ fi fine yẹn wọ́n fi gbowó báǹkì. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi gbàwé lọ́dọ̀ ìjọba. Ẹ ṣe ẹjọ́ mọ́ fine. Mi go te wá kí fine. Tí n bá fine mi ní gbádùn ayé mi. But bí mo ṣe wọ̀wọ́ tí mo ugly yìí, mo gbádùn ayé mi dákú. Mi réyàn yọ mí lẹ́nu. Mi réyàn dà mí láàmú. Wọ́n ní Lady K today ó tọ́ ni tóbìnrin bá ti fáìn ju ọmọ pé wàhálà ni ọkùnrin ò ní jó gbádùn òun nínú mi ṣe máa ń dùn bí mi ṣe fáìn pé Ọlọ́run ṣe o ṣe dá mi ká ní mo lọ fáìn ni mo tún wá jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ orí social media wọ́n ní jẹ́ ń gbádùn so ẹ má jẹ́ fáìn ṣe ti gbọ́ I love myself mo ti gbede ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wa lórí ìkànnì yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ má bóyá comment section mo fẹ́ lédùn máa rí bẹ̀yìn ṣé is a matter of time o mi ní máa gbé àwọn program gan wá mú yes it's a matter of time ẹ̀kọ́ la fẹ́ kọ́ adẹ̀ ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ dáadáa lóríṣiríṣi àbá àti ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó bá yẹ pé kí n ṣe máa gbé wọn wá ẹ̀kọ́ sí comment section ẹ má búyàn o tó bá yẹ pé kí n má bọ́ gbé wọn wá mọ́ ẹ yẹ ká debate tó bá yẹ pé kí n má gbé àwọn program wá mọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ sí comment section a ní page ta fi hàn ní Yorùbá Nation program ẹ lè rí fúlákà ń bẹ láyé Yorùbá Nation nìkan ni so tó bá yẹ ká má gbé àwọn ilé wa mọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ síbẹ̀ anyway mo tún ti lọ gbede please and please don't bully anybody don't harass anybody don't insult anybody we are just here to learn one or two things from this show we are here to learn from this show that is why I'm here and I don't want anybody to write bad comments on my program on my platform please don't put any bad comments don't harass anybody don't insult anybody don't bully anybody. We are not here to curse anybody. We are here for love. We are here to make love, to smile, to learn. We are here to make love, to smile, to learn. That is the reason why we are here. We are not here to fight anybody. On this platform, we don't hate anybody. I, Lady K Ifeoluwa show. I did not do what? I did not hate anybody. I love everybody. Everybody on social media, I love them. That is why you can never see me harassing anybody. You cannot see me bullying anybody. You cannot see me insulting anybody. Because I stand for love and peace. I stand for love and peace. YouTube, this page is for love and peace. Not for harassment. Not for insulting people. Not for bullying people. This Lady K Ifeoluwa show page, YouTube, is for love. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ débẹ̀ yín ìyá mi ẹ̀yin bàbá mi ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ subscribe sí YouTube channel wa kẹ́ tẹ notification bell bákan náà ẹ má gbàgbé yín tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lodge sí Nàìjíríà apartment tẹ́lẹ̀ lodge sí ó wà available a máa sọ gbogbo yẹn later ẹ tẹ̀ jẹ́ ká ọkọ̀ tún sáré kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà ojú òní tì yín.
mo kí gbogbo wa fún gbogbo ìgbà tí a bá wà mo kí wa fún gbogbo ìgbà mo rò pé mo sọ nǹkan tó yẹ kí n sọ ṣá mo kí wa according to the time tí a bá wà mo kí wa ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì náà mo guess pé mo mọ̀ pé mo wà late in some places but this is actually very necessary because I'm just very angry in my spirit. Ṣé don tẹ́ kálẹ̀ ṣé wa okay. Mo wish kí n lè ṣe fẹ́ lálẹ́ but ìbínú ni mo gbé wọlé. Ẹ kálẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn dúdú tíkẹ́tíkẹ́ ẹ kálẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi ṣe ètò yẹn jẹ́ kó lọ fà àwọn èèyàn dúdú pẹ̀lú ìwà wa dúdú àwọn èèyàn dúdú pẹ̀lú ìwà wa tó dúdú mo máa ń wò ó pé kí ni reason láyé mo ti máa ń jókòó mo máa ń ro kíní ìnà mo máa ń wò pé kí ló dé tó ṣe dàbí ẹni pé Africa wa cost ṣùgbọ́n mo rí i pé we marvel in destruction we marvel in bad things ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ ẹ̀ máa ló ń pọ́n ayé dorúkodò ẹ̀yin máa sọ ẹ̀ máa ní káwọn èèyàn lùkìwé the same Africa yìí náà ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi pe àwọn èèyàn kan wọlé thank you so much for sharing gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń share God bless you ẹ bá mi share ètò yìí kó lọ fà. Ẹ bá mi ṣe ètò yẹn kó lọ fà tá bá ti pé in particular kíní máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò yìí wèrè kó mo mọ̀ pé òlórun tó fẹ́ so lè wá sórí ìkànnì gbogbo ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ máa drop comment òfò tẹ bá wá sí orí ìkànnì lálẹ́ be constructive tẹ bá ṣe orí burúkú wà láàyè pé lẹ́ máa gbà mi ò kí ń ṣe o ṣùgbọ́n ẹ máa rí lè gbà lálẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀gbà tí má ti ṣe báyìí àṣẹ máa rọmọ fún yín ni èmi ò ní ṣe àwọn èpè tó máa ń ṣe fún yín yàn máa fún yín ní àwọn àyájọ́ tó jẹ́ pé ó máa lẹ̀ mọ́ yín lára táyé yín máa tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò ní lè wẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ máa ṣe deliverance gan láwọn ibi tó ti ń tàn yín káàkiri yẹn ẹ̀ ní rí wẹ̀. mo kí gbogbo ẹ káàbọ̀ kò máa ń wọ́ndà ni mo máa ń wò ó kí ló dé why are things different you're welcome on board ẹ má bínú tí mi bá porúkọ wa jù lálẹ́ yìí madam Odúbáyọ̀ Rich Dave ẹ káàbọ̀ Abíkẹ́ Ibrahim you're welcome on board Mọ́tọ́ṣọ́ you're welcome ẹ má bínú because mi fẹ́ rí nípẹ́ I just want to make some points and then kí n move kúrò lórí life yìí you're welcome on board Ṣọlá Babátúndé Abísọ́lá ẹ káàbọ̀ ma madam Olámídé you're welcome má sì rí required amount tí mo pé a lè fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ so that a lot of people will not miss some point nǹkan máa jókòó máa wò ní pé kí ló ń ṣe wá ní Áfíríkà kí ló rí táyé wá ṣe rí báyìí check it now head check ẹ̀ à ń kàwé náà ìwé mélòó náà kà nílùú òyìnbó àwọn ọmọ onílẹ̀ gangan nílùú òyìnbó ìwé mélòó náà kà most of them are artisans iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ they make things they produce things China tẹ̀ ń lọ ìwé mélòó school mélòó PhD mélòó ló wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn tẹ́lọ́ rajà lọ́wọ́ wọn tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń reach wọn China ti gbogbo yín lọ sórí Instagram tẹ́lọ́ ń jà sí èèyàn kan lọ mélòó ni gbogbo àwọn factories tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn mélòó ni wọ́n náà ní PhD mélòó ni wọ́n náà ní masters wọ́n develop ara wọn because wọ́n jókòó wọ́n rí pé tí ò bá ti sí òtítọ́ láàrin ara wọn ó ṣe àwọn náà ní issues wọ́n ní issues wọn but wọ́n wò pé at least to a reasonable doubt ó yẹ káwọn lè wá justice fáwọn èèyàn ó yẹ káwọn lè make sure pé ìlú àwọn wà same to an extent ẹ ti sọ Nàìjíríà di banana republic whatever goes oníkálukú kàn ṣe tiẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ni mo ti mọ̀ tó máa lówó tí wọ́n máa fi oppress ọmọ làkejì ẹ̀ for no reason kí ló ń ṣe wá àwa la fẹ́ grow báwo la ṣe fẹ́ grow ẹ sọ fún mi báwo la ṣe fẹ́ grow a lè ṣọ́ra lóṣooṣù ọwọ́ nígbà tó jẹ́ pé a lot of people wà láàrin wa tó jẹ́ pé they are not supposed to be there and because of the kind of systems that we run especially in this country called Nigeria ìṣe ló máa ń jọ mí lójú ń gbà mí bíi pé ṣé ìlú ìwà wà cost bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé wà cost ni níbi táwọn kan bá ti ń fà lọ síwájú lẹ́yìn kan máa fà lọ sẹ́yìn nígbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó wọ́n train àwọn people yìí ó yẹ kó gbá ẹ̀mí ìmọ̀ àtìmọ́lé nu wọn ni ṣùgbọ́n ẹ máa rí ọmọ máa gbáre fẹ́lẹ́ bí ọmọ máa gbẹ́bí fálárè orí burúkú wá ń ṣubú lórí burúkú ẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú tó bá lọ́ba tó ní joyè kí gangan lè ń produce gangan nílùú ṣé mo rí yín bá wí ni tí ó bá kí n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa rí Martins ẹ máa sọ di Ọlọ́run somebody tó jẹ́ pé every day the fact that bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ìwà àwọn Pharisees ló ń wù ìwà àwọn Pharisee láyé ìgbà yẹn nínú Bible ló ń wù Hosanna today crucify him tomorrow anywhere belle face ló ń ṣe but because ó ti ja àwọn ìjà kínkínkín kan ìjà tó ń jà ṣóun ló yẹ kó jà ni ṣóun ló yẹ kó máa advocate bí tó fi wọlé sí yín lára nìyẹn ẹ ti believe pé ní saviour tó ń wùwà ìkà saviour tó ń wùwà ìkà lẹ́yìn ó ń wá síwájú yín ó wá ń lo ẹ̀yin òpònú náà ló lè ṣe fún ẹ̀yin òpònú náà ló lè ṣe rẹ́fù tó máa lo reverse psychology fún yín ẹ̀yin ọ̀dẹ̀ náà ló lè ṣe fún ẹ̀yin òpònú tó jẹ́ pé àwọn parents yín wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn ò dẹ̀ lè fi kọ́ yín àmọ́ wọ́n ti gbà yẹn ìyá mi á ní àwọn ọmọ tí wọn kọ́ ti ń dàgbà wọn náà ti ń bímọ kí ni ká wá expect ẹ wò bí tẹ́ ẹ bá lóhùn dé. Sherry, let me say something lálẹ́ yìí no this and no peace nobody should pity Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nobody should pity her because she's not in a pitiable state. God has done so much for her. Stand by her. People have always stood by her. This is not the first time they've attacked her. Probably because she went through the process of losing property. But I'm sure that she has gone through a lot in her life. She will come up and she'll become even greater. Sometimes things will be low, sometimes things will be high. So if you are doing pity, you are being emotional about it for her. What you are doing is that you are telling her enemies that they are winning. By yourself. For the rest of your life, you regret it. What has this lady ever done to you, Wereko? The only thing that lady did. The only thing. Mention Baba Jesha. How many people only actually... oh my God. This thing gets me angry. how many people only actually jáde kó sọ pé I am against that because she sent back ẹ máa kùn sọ́nà ni ẹ máa kùn sọ because ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ̀ ń sọ kò tiẹ̀ mọ́pọlọ wá tó bá kí n ṣe pé olórí burúkú ló pọ̀ jù àwọn olóṣì ẹ ti mú nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó jẹ́ normal ẹ ti sọ di normal èèyàn ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún minor and you are saying that that kind of a person is in so tí wọn bá ti ṣe débi gbogbo àwọn ìtẹ́ máa ń rí tẹ́ máa sọ pé wọ́n lu ọmọ pa sínú ilé wọ́n lu girlfriend wọn pa sínú ilé ṣé mo adúrà atrocities tó ti kọ́kọ́ commit ní ọjọ́ ayé wọn ìlú iná la wà tó ti sọ story wípé èèyàn kan láńlọ́ọ̀dù ọmọ láńlọ́ọ̀dù ó rape ọmọ kékeré abẹ́ẹ̀ kí n lọ ságídígbò ni àwọn láńlọ́ọ̀dù yẹn dẹ̀ cover up wọ́n tún victimize àwọn tí wọ́n rape ọmọ ọmọ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ìgbà tí ó jẹ́ pé òfin wa wọ́n ní justice delayed is justice denied. So if you're coming to do pity party for her, she doesn't need it. She's a very strong woman. I remember that Priscilla said that thing. She's a very strong woman. And this shall pass. It has passed already. So we're confused that because her house got burnt, her shop got burnt. This we're cool. Nǹkan tó ti sọnù láyé wèrè kó nǹkan tó ti sọnù láyé nǹkan tó ti sọnù lára ẹ̀ iyì tó ti sọnù lára wèrè kó tó bá gbé lọ́ọ̀sì yẹn tó bá gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ just Iyabo's office getting burnt the loss that Wereko has experienced is just 1%, and that loss she incurred that loss herself. She brought it upon herself. What exactly did Iyabo do to you? She decided to take somebody you want to bully. It can only happen in Nigeria. You wanted to bully somebody because that person called you out. Please, can somebody tell me the crime? Your husband left you and abandoned you, and you came out crying saying that man told of you bye to popular. Ti won claim pé kí no poruko. Ṣé bá ro nǹkan tan sọ ni. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú kan. Ẹ jókòó en type en condemn Akínọláyà. Kí ni kẹ́ sọ nípa ti Láti Ògúnfẹ̀ en Láti òpònú. Tó fi ìyàwó àti ọmọ pẹ̀lú ọmọ oṣù mẹ́ta sọ́wọ́. Tó fi sílẹ̀ tó kó lọ bá obìnrin nílé tó dẹ̀ disappear síbẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ gbóhùn ẹ̀. Ṣé rẹ̀ lè ṣẹlẹ̀ l'Amẹ́ríkà? This woman came out and cried. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ dáwó fún nǹkan tí Gistlover fi di wàhálà nìyẹn. Gbogbo bí tí Wereko dé láti lè block. Wereko gbogbo bí tó ṣe tó gba ayẹyẹ dé ó ti ṣe ẹ̀sìn kọjá gbogbo bẹ̀. Ó lọ type orúkọ ẹ̀ ni. Lọ sórí Google kó type orúkọ ẹ̀. Who is Wereko? Who is Ole Dumota? Go and type it. Kò sí ẹ̀sìn kankan. Kò sí loss kankan tó yẹn. You brought it upon yourself. So gbogbo ètò wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ olórí burúkú tó wà ní UK tó jẹ́ pé bó ṣe wáyé. Nígbà tí eléyìí ò kì í ṣe pé o. Wọ́n ṣe pé fọmọ. Eléyìí ò kì í ṣe pé. Nǹkan tó bá ti fẹ́ ló máa claim. Bó o bá ṣe fẹ́ k'Ọlọ́run tún ẹ ṣe, tó fẹ́ k'Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni rere bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa ṣe sọ́mọ lọ́mọ. What is good for the girls is good for the gander. Bó o bá ṣe fẹ́ wọ́n ní tó bá ná ìka àbámọ̀ tó bá ná ìka sí ẹyọkan gbogbo yòókù á jẹ́ tiẹ̀. Nǹkan tó bá ti fẹ́ ló máa gbà. Nǹkan tó bá ti fẹ́. So kò sí pé wọ́n ṣépè fún bó ṣe wà yẹn á tó bí n pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ òun ní pé gbogbo ibi tí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ bá lọ pátá kọ́ máa látakò níbikíbi tó máa lọ pátá kọ́ máa ranú gbà ìyẹn ò ń ṣe big deal. That's what she wants and that's what she has been doing, and that is why tó fi jẹ́ stumbling block ní ọ̀nà àwọn kan. So it is not a problem. It is not a problem. Nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ lòun sọ fún Ọlọ́run yẹn bóun ṣe fẹ́ ó ti ṣe ti nǹkan ẹ̀ yẹn bóun ṣe expect pé kí ìgbésí ayé òun rí. So it is not an issue. We don't have a problem with it. But pé ẹ máa bá yá láyé jẹ́ lórí pé ó mú ìyàwó ọkọ ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ bully ó mú sábẹ́ ó fún ní business ibi tó ti lè ṣe business ìyẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yọjú ẹ lọ ó introduce ẹ into acting. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló ti ṣe yẹn. Ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olóyè burúkú tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti ṣe nìyẹn. Mo ń béèrè o ṣé níbi kankan tí àbò òjò lọ tó ti lọ sọ pé ẹ má gbé iṣẹ́ fún wọn ni ṣe ní proof fún ṣé níbi kankan tẹ́ ti gbọ́ proof pé ó sọ pé ẹ má bá ẹni yìí ìrajà kò lè dá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń support Wereko gbogbo ẹ̀yin pátá ni mo sọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin mi sọ ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ẹ kàn sit on the fence tẹ́ ẹ̀ kí ẹ̀ nípa kan mo ń sọ ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé you are solidly behind her, you are supporting her with your comment, you are supporting her with your money. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin pátápátá báyìí gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe gbogbo èrè ẹ̀ pátá lọ́lọ́run bàbá mi pín fún gbogbo yín lẹ́yìn kọ̀ọ̀kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín. So nobody should come here and come and do pity party for her. She doesn't want it because there's nothing wrong with her. Gbogbo oríire tí èèyàn máa sọ pé mo wá sáyé mo nípa láyé gbogbo ènìyàn bò ti ṣe wọ́n bí ó tún rẹ̀ bí ó bímọ ó kọ́ ọmọ àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kọ̀ àwọn ọmọ èèyàn máa lọ sínú African store kọ́ máa gbóyún fún gbá kọ́ máa gbóyún fàyò àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ wọ́n marry wọ́n ṣayẹyẹ nǹkan dùn fún wọn ọmọ ọkùnrin wà òkè ọmọ ọkùnrin wọn sọ pé wọn kò mú àwọn kidnappers wọn sọ pé bóyá wọn mọ ọmọ ọkùnrin níbi tó ti ń do drugs wọn sọ pé ọmọ ọkùnrin ó bully anybody kí ló tún fẹ́ láyé gbogbo etí Ìyábọ̀ ń lé tó ń sọ pé òun ṣe fíìmù yẹn àfikún ni Ọlọ́run tó wá fún ní partner tó fún ní ìfọkànbalẹ̀ kí ló tún fẹ́ so gbogbo ìtẹ́ ìṣe pity party kò wọ́n fún tí gbúra ò bá go through fire nígbà mi kò ní shine nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí is not kíní kan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá investigate dáadáa wọ́n á rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn aláàrò lásán ilé wọn jóná ilé tí ò jóná gúrúgúrú now there are a lot of things that they salvaged àwọn kan wà tó ń lose ẹ̀ ẹlòmíì ò jóná ṣé ó wọ mọ́tò ó travel ló l'accident ni àbí wọ́n pariwo lè lé láàrin one of the biggest markets in Lagos ṣọ́fọ̀ ṣẹ́ ni what's the pity for she's a strong woman she is going to come out of it she will feel bad because owó ló fi kó kìíní ìjọ but she will be happy and everything will turn out to be joy for her but let us face the people that feels that because of this the Bible says it too. Only when there is a casting down, God said what? There's a lifting up. Where they don't rejoice, don't win case. I don't understand it. They didn't. I'm sure that even Iyabo Ojo really cared about Ijo Yemo, basically because of what happened. They dismissed the case because they feel that wọ́n ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó fẹ́ gbọ́ wọ́n ti pè wọ́n ti jọ ṣe kínní wọ́n ti pè wọ́n. That particular case already wọ́n ti resolve it. Because I don't understand. I'm seeing comments, maybe she won. Won what? Tí Ìyábọ̀ bá decide láti fẹ́ ṣe new case because the moment tó ti jọ pé àwọn méjèèjì sínú yàrá tó ti jọ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, that was when that case was over. I don't get. Common sense, ṣé kò common ni? Maybe she won. What did she win? They dismissed the case because there was no reason for it. Wọ́n ti pè àwọn méjèèjì together tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ní pé kán live in harmony. And she has refused to call her name. She has been calling her now that she has called her name. And then I like the fact she only told tó bá máa jẹ ìgbà tí ni tó bá travel lọ sí Timbuktu ó máa lọ jẹ́ńbẹ̀. She, sometimes àwọn nǹkan mi máa ṣẹlẹ̀. It shows you that wèrè kó ó lóun lọ school pass through. Her behavior is worse than that of a stark illiterate. Because you feel that case dismiss it. You feel that you now have legal backing to call her name. Do you know what you just did? The same woman that you have called names, you have tagged, you have lied about, you said everything. You've forgotten that there are several videos that you have made for her that are in people's archive that you were calling Shekpeteri Gistlover. You have forgotten that you have made the same video for her that Shekpeteri Wasili everything. You now have the guts today. Ori Ewafe Buru. You now decided to tie a name to it. Tó bá jẹ́ pé o kàn tiẹ̀ sọ pé kán bá ẹmu tí nǹkan kan bá ṣe é ìwọ lórí burúkú ọmọ Ọlọ́run wépọ̀ bí ejò tí òun jẹjẹ ó rí bó ṣe rí ni bí ejò tó ń shed skin ó rọ́nù ẹni pẹ̀lú bó ṣe try láti hide pẹ̀lú layer necklace tó wọ̀ tó kò ṣe hide ayé ẹ wá bàjẹ́ bí ẹ̀dì abólọ́run tó domi gbogbo náà lé ó rí pé nǹkan ti tán fún ẹ ó rí bó ṣe rí ni skin mọ̀ ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti gbẹ tán lóòrò ó ti yọ ó dàbí lab skeleton ó rí bó ṣe rí ni ó ṣe irun òun kò dúró dáadáa mọ́ bóyá ni irun kù lórí ẹ̀ àárín orí náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ irun aláìgbọ́n ayé ó fi òpé bóyá o ti ní legal backing the greatest mistake of your life òun ni orúkọ tó pè because tó bá yẹ pé o rọra porúkọ yẹn lásán you now started tying her back to the old videos you made that you went to court to say to them that I did not call her name I wasn't referring to her because her name was not mentioned. You now went and start tying up to those videos that you made online that you were saying Shekpeteri because you said if Shekpeteri brought people to your house to come and you now tied the name to it. Oh, notice why you padà bàjẹ́ finally sha. Oh, notice. Má jẹ́ kí n já ẹ sí. Kò kí n ṣe Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló máa sú ẹ this time around. Community ló máa sú ẹ. Mo kàn tí ẹ ń wò ẹ náà ni. Tó bá sú ẹ̀gùn mélòó ló kù lára ẹ̀. Oh, máa dúró lẹ́yà tó ti ṣe ni. Go and type wèrè kó fún ara ẹ lórí Google kó lọ ohun kó tó di. Ó ti tàgá rẹ̀. kódà orúkọ tó gbà orúkọ ẹ great bàjẹ́ ó ti tag ara ẹ̀ ìwọ ló ṣì akómọ̀ mojú di àmọ̀nà òun má lọ olówó dá sọ̀rọ̀ family yín ṣé Fọlá jẹ́ family ẹ ni ó jẹ́ family ẹ ló ní kí ìyàwó tó bá lé kó lọ mú DNA wá fún ẹ àbí kò fẹ́ dá fẹ́lẹ̀ ni olówó dá sọ̀rọ̀ family yín báwo ni Fọlá ṣe jẹ́ family ẹ ló fi gba owó wàá prove ẹ ibi tó ti gbé igbá lórí internet tó sọ pé ẹ máa bá mi dáwó fún Fọlá he empowered her. Is it that you have a problem comprehending? There's a difference oní Ìyábọ̀ òun fi gba owó níbo mo mọ̀ pé wàá lọ take video yẹn down bọ̀ gbàgbé ẹ̀ ó ti wà níbi tó wà. Ó ti wà níbi tó wà. Eléyìí gangan ló fi máa lọ lẹ̀ tó ní fi dìde ó ti ẹ̀ dìde náà tẹ̀lé ó gbé rí ó ti tán fún ẹ̀ ó ti tán fún ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan fún ẹ mọ́ because ṣebí tẹ́lẹ̀ tá bá tiẹ̀ lọ sórí Instagram tá bá lọ káàkiri tó bá tiẹ̀ ṣe post ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ we still see some people coming to defend you. Oh man, it is rare. Nínú 300 comments, nínú 100 comments, you will hardly find one. And kò sí tó máa kọ comment tó máa kọ àràbù fún wọn nínú wọn. They will write the comment tó jẹ́ pé fit ẹ tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe ni. Jọ kí ló tún kù fún ẹ? You are empty. Wọ́n ti cancel lẹ̀. Oh, because some dismiss the case. Gbogbo kéèsì tó wọn ní ọmọ yẹn kéèsì tó ti fìdí rẹmi lórí ẹ̀ ni kéèsì for life kí lẹ fi ṣe fìdí rẹmi ni ṣọmọ yẹn kéèsì tó gbé dìde lórí ẹ̀ kéèsì dọ́kàsí ò fìdí rẹmi bẹ̀ alólòṣì ni ẹ̀ kéèsì àwọn Ìdúmọ̀tà ò fìdí rẹmi lórí ẹ̀ there's a difference between throwing a case out your case with àwọn Ìdúmọ̀tà they threw it out ni dismissal yẹn wọ́n threw it out because it's without form but this one we already know that the normal hearing for court. They need to close this case because even Iyabo is not pursuing it anymore. Because she has seen you as Olode ẹni tó ti ní brain damage. See, bí Lara àti orí burúkú, you are the greatest bully that has ever lived. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti condole ìwà burúkú, you are the greatest bully that has ever lived. You are a bully. You want to bully Fola? People stopped you from doing it and you are now saying wọ́n dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ family ẹ̀. Ṣé family ẹ̀ lẹni tí wọ́n fèrè pa? Ṣé family ẹ̀ lẹni tí wọ́n sọ fún ọkọ ẹ̀ kó da aṣọ ẹ̀ àti àwọn ọmọ àti gbogbo ẹ̀ kó dá wọn síta láì fún wọn láṣọ? Ṣé family ẹ̀ lẹni tó sọ pé kí wọ́n starve? Ìjọ́ wo ni ọkọ ẹ̀ ti ná owó sí àwọn ọmọ tó fi okó bí tó wà lọ́wọ́ Fọlá? Ló ti fún wọn ní owó pé ẹ gbà owó upkeep lè. You are calling her your family. Do you know what it means for somebody to be a family? You must be mad. It's very easy to say from you must be crazy. You are calling her your family? Ṣé your man ti family ẹ̀ síta ni? Oni wọ́n fi ń tọrọ owó. What is your problem? Ṣé tó bá tiẹ̀ wá gbé ká tiẹ̀ wá gbà pé wọ́n gbé wá sórí internet pé káwọn máa dáwó fún? My question to you is that is she a baby? You want to run because o lè run life àwọn ọmọ títí ẹ o lè run life olórí burúkú eléyìn Ṣàmúgà tó gbé sínú ilé ẹ o lè run life ọkọ ẹ o lè run life gbogbo àwọn wèrè tó kó jọ manage everybody. Do you think that you can run people's life? Ó mà tiẹ̀ sọ gẹ́lẹ̀ òun di tọ́yì o lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ náà ó mà sọ lady Fọlá ìdí tọ́yì ó mà tiẹ̀ kò mà tiẹ̀ sí respect fún humanity nínú ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́nu bí ẹnu ṣákùrọ̀ ẹ wọ ọrùn ẹbú ọrùn ẹbú ṣe rí ọrùn ẹbú ṣe rí. Ó ti rí Komodo lizard rí lọ́wọ́ Komodo lizard kó lówó bọ́ọ̀rùn wọn ṣe máa ń rí ọrùn wọn máa ń dàbí ẹni pé ó ní èpè bọ́ọ̀rùn ẹ ṣe rí nìyẹn ọrùn ẹ dàbí ẹni tó ní èpè ó jọ ìgún náà and I am not even capping, I'm not joking. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ rò pé bí mo purọ́ go and check our video tó ṣe kẹ́ wá lọ wo ìgbín náà kẹ́ wo ọrùn ẹ̀ kẹ́ lọ wo ọrùn monitor lizard nǹkan tó jọ nísìnyí nìyẹn. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé tó bá jẹun kò lè dúró lára ẹ mọ́ ó ti sáré kọjá kádàrá ó rí gbogbo àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì èyí tó ń lọ China lọ èyí tó ń lọ Brazil lọ èyí tó ń lọ gbá lọ èyí tó ń làwọ lọ ibo ló lọ ó lọ Ìbàdàn ṣé wọ́n produce the fabric ní Ìbàdàn ni àbúyẹ káwọn èèyàn béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ pé jọ́wọ́ ló lọ gbẹ̀yìn ló fi raṣọ ọ̀dà wo ló ń wọlé fún ẹ àrí kò sọ pé o dé ara àwọn tó ń paṣọ tó jẹ́ pé èmi ò ní travel tó máa kó bèèlì dé tó máa já bèèlì àárí rí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ wàá gbé wà àwa mú ẹ ní kò ṣe torí mo mọ̀ pé wà bó ta àwọn ilé ẹṣẹ́ everything tó bá ṣe irọ́ ni àmọ́ ẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó ti kó jọ láti ayé alálùmọ́lẹ̀ nígbà tó ti wà ní Ọkọ́ta, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ló ṣì wà lórí ẹ̀. Kò sí léèsì àbáláyé, àwọn léèsì àbáláyé, àwọn léèsì tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tí Mary Slessor kọ́kọ́ wá sí Nàìjíríà, àwọn léèsì tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tí Lord Lugard tó wá da Nàìjíríà pọ̀pọ̀, tó wá kó orí burúkú bá Nàìjíríà, tó rò pé nǹkan gidi ló ń ṣe fún Nàìjíríà, tó wá mixi lórúkọ mọ́ ṣàpà nígbà yẹn, tó wá amalgamate Nàìjíríà. Léèsì tí wọ́n mú nígbà yẹn, òun ló ṣì wà lórí ìkọ̀ fún ẹ̀. Àwọn wọ́n yọ̀ sí oníhò, àwọn yọ̀rọ̀ lójú àwọn ènìyàn tó ń tà. Wà wá bá wọn kó bọ́tìnì bò ó, ò tún ní ra bọ́tìnì gidi. Kò ṣe bọ́tìnì ló ń ra o, kò ṣe bedazzling element ló ń ra o, ò tún ní ra àwọn nǹkan gidi. Wà tún lọ sí ìsọ̀ wọn ní Ìdúmọ̀tà, àwọn cheap ones ni wà tún lọ rà, wà bá wọn lẹ̀ mọ́, wà wá bá sọ pé ìwọ ní léèsì 6 million lórí ìkọ̀ tó lè fi hàn yàn. Àwọn tó ní léèsì 40,000 naira wọ́n ń fi hàn yàn lórí ìkọ̀. ń bọ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin ti ẹ̀ ráyè, ó lóun ṣe díẹ̀. She said she has done DNA for Fọlá. Ṣé Fọlá tí ò bá kí ń ṣe bó ṣe jẹ́? Tí ò bá kí ń ṣe bó ṣe jẹ́? Ìgbà wo lo rán àwọn ọmọ Fọlá tó fi ṣe DNA fún wọn? A ní kò lè dá fún ìwèrè kò kí ń ṣe pé mi mọ́rú ìgbésí ayé tó ẹ̀kọ́ òye máa ń reincarnate tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó yá ìkà ní Florida láyé tó wá tẹ́lẹ̀ tó fi jẹ́ pọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ ló yá sí. Ọlọ́dọ̀ olórí burúkú èèyàn ló yá sí. Ó máa kó wọn. Wà lóun ta léèsì fáwọn. Ó rí léèsì tó ń ṣò ní, ìwọ lóun ní léèsì 6 million. Àwọn tó ní léèsì tó gbẹ wọ́n gbé sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Báwo mo ṣe máa fowó ra nǹkan tí wọ́n ní tí wọ́n bá fowó rò yóò gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́yàn lójú ni. Báwo mo ṣe máa fowó ra ẹṣin tí màá tún máa fowó ra sàyẹ́rìn sórí ẹ̀? Màá fowó ra yàgò lọ́nà. For what reason? Mo ṣe máa fowó ra yàgò lọ́nà. Ṣé rí pé ayé yín bàjẹ́ ni? Nígbà tó bá jẹ́ pé ordinary ipe kò tiẹ̀ tún jábè láàrin gbogbo gold wà ló ń ta gold. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń ta gold wọ́n fi wọn. Àwọn tó ti wà lábẹ́ rí ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ń taṣọ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe síá fún òun sọ̀rọ̀. Tí ó máa ń bá wọṣọ orí bó ṣe rí ni orí bó ṣe rí ni. Ó dẹ̀ pé bóyá sáà ní lọ ilé yín ti fọ́, bóyá kò ní kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé mi wá. Ó ti tán fún ẹ. Nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ mú ẹ lára. Ìka ẹ ti ń kà ẹ̀. Tó bá mọ bó ṣe rí. Sórí bó ṣe ń ṣe lánàá ní court, ó fi hàn pé ẹ̀rù bójó ń bà ẹ́. Mo kàn máa ń wo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú yín. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bó dẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn, ó tún ṣì ń bọ̀ wá sunkún lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún ẹ. Because sórí Nàìjíríà kò rọgbọ. Owó ò wọlé, ṣùgbọ́n owó ń jáde. Ó ti ń bá ẹ already. Á tó bá ìjú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Ó ṣì ń padà bọ̀ wá sunkún. Mo ń lọ káàkiri lórí street of Instagram. Mo ń rí táwọn yẹn sọ, there's no market, there's no sales. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ wà? Oúnjẹ ni wọ́n sì fi fowó ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Ṣé èyí tẹ́ lọ kó wíìgì jọ? Ìbáwọn kan náà tuntun ra kaná kó wíìgì náà tó rówó wíìgì ẹ̀ tún kó rọ́bìṣì kankan lẹ́ máa kó lé wọn lọ́wọ́. Wéré kó. Sórí ibi tí ìgbésí ayé ń bá tó ń lọ, tó bá ti bí ẹnikẹ́ni dá, ó wá ní ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ fílẹ̀ rí kó ti tán fún ni, ẹ má tún continue. Ẹni yẹn, ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ sí mi lọ́wọ́. Ó wá jáde lénìí, ó ti fi òpin ti gbẹ lẹ́yìn. Sórí tó ṣe lénìí, wàá kábàámọ̀ ẹ̀ ipò ṣe. Mo mọ̀ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn o, wàá ti máa lọ jókòó wò pé yé kí ló ṣe yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n wàá kábàámọ̀ ẹ̀ débi pé má delete fídíò yẹn o. Lórí tó bá delete ẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn ti ní already. Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni. Ó fi pé kìíní kan. Ilé ọba tó jẹ́ ẹwà ló bù sí. Ṣé àti ìjọ táláyé ti dáyé kọ́ ní nǹkan tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni? Ṣé nǹkan ṣe ń jóná ni? Ilé àwọn èèyàn kò ń ṣe lé jíjóná. Ẹ̀mí gangan lójú. Tẹ́mi bá ti wà ìrètí ń bẹ. Tẹ́mi ò bá ti jábọ́. Olóṣì olófo ìgbínà aláǹgbórí ebè olórí burúkú ọmọ. Ó sọ pé òun ṣe promo wo ló ń ṣe olórí burúkú ọmọ. Promo wo ló ń ṣe ẹni tó jẹ́ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn ó sì máa padà sẹ́sẹ̀ àárò ẹ̀ ni. Ó máa padà gbígbá olóṣó tó gbé nígbà yẹn ó sì máa padà gbé. gbogbo èpè tó ṣe pátápátá ó máa já gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kò kí n yan òun ṣe pé kíní kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má sọ fún mi pé ọmọ ó máa já gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ó tiẹ̀ tí ń jà ní kí là ń sọ gan, ó ti ń jà olórí burúkú somebody. Mo Martins wá ń bí VDM wá ń bí sórí mi kì í fẹ́ feel báyìí nípa èèyàn. You know why? Because if I feel like this about somebody, even when that person is doing well, mi ní fẹ́ wo bẹ́ẹ̀. But I worry bẹ́ẹ̀ because I see what you are doing. I see what you are doing, and you are trying so hard. But it is quite unfortunate that the harder you try, the more you make people dislike you. The more you make people see you for who you really are. A manipulator, a liar. You are not who you say you are. You only looked at Nigeria. And you looked at the fact that this country is in an helpless state. You looked at ibi tí àwọn èèyàn Jerry àwọn obìnrin náà lọ ó wò pé ibo ló ti kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ enter ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ní cream. Mo wà surprise lẹ́ni mo wo interview kan lẹ́ni lady kan báyìí mi fẹ́ dárúkọ lady yẹn wọ́n máa lady yẹn ta cream lórí internet. She's kind of àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ gan. Ó ní ìwọ ló call òun house. It's a good thing. Ó ní ìwọ ló jẹ́ kó stop láti máa ṣe organic cream. Mo wò pé yes, téèyàn bá stop èèyàn pé okay, go and get NAFDAC. You're already making, I hope you know that, number one, there's a standard to everything. And everywhere in the world, including this same country. Tí a sọ pé, including this same country, tí a ń sọ fún ara wa, pé the rule of law, wọn kì í ṣe dáadáa. I want you to understand that. Tí company bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí small scale, they will first of start producing. They will go to NAFDAC, láti lọ gba àwọn kankan. They will go to other boards. I don't want to go into details. And then they will probably get be like pre-approval kind of, because they still want to come and investigate them to know whether they are doing things right on the bigger scale in case they become big. Kò kí n ṣe immediately tí wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ product you máa rí gbogbo àwọn all these things tó máa ń gbàgbà, but you must inform them and they know. People that are doing it know. Now, ó fi yẹn wọlé sáwọn èèyàn lára. It's okay. It's applaudable that you are telling people to do the right thing. But ó wà sad that you had a plan. And the plan you had, àwọn tó máa wà evil-minded ló máa ní irú plan yìí. Surely the same plan tó ní náà ni wèrè kò ní. She wanted to take over. She wanted to take over. She wanted to take over. She wanted a situation whereby they will respect her and they will fear her at the same time. They wanted a situation whereby nobody mentioned orúkọ ẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn máa shiver so that they can bring businesses to her. That's what she wanted. The same thing that you are doing. The exact same thing that you are doing. You gain people's trust. You gain people's love. You made them trust you. You made them put themselves. You didn't gain my trust because I cannot be, I saw a few things about you. And those were my own red flags. I stand to be corrected. Everybody deserves forgiveness. Everybody, telling you about the wrong thing, right? Everybody deserves a second chance. But when you came out, you didn't come to tell your story. They had to find you out before you told your story. You never knew that particular side of you. You hid it from people. And that was the very first red flag for me. If you want people to accept you, you need to come out and tell them what you know they can discover about you that will become a scandal. But you never thought in your wildest dream that they were going to find you out. It was just Lover that brought you out, and then you now came and told your story. And I looked at it. Because mo rí ìrísí ẹ̀, ìṣesí ẹ̀, ìsọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀, mo rí pé kò kí n ṣe ìsọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹni tó wà genuine. There's something driving you. Later I discovered that what is driving you is actually money. Adúrú owó tó ń dá sí ẹ lọ́wọ́. Agbopa, agbopo. You said something, and I'm going to mention that thing. You said, phone your 300,000. These are people, when they say justice for somebody, do you need to pay anybody to get involved in a justice? There's a difference between and remunerating that person. What exactly are you paying for? Is it what the person said? You are normalizing bad things. And those are my red flags about you. When somebody comes and normalizes, because I have looked at you, I have seen you, and I've seen that morals are low. There's nobody that will go into activism to manage low morals. Nobody's talking about your looks and the way of dressing. We are talking about what those things that we see. Those things the things that there's a particular, word that I'm looking for. I'm looking at that thing that comes from you, your horror. And I can see that there's little, very minute morals in it. The things that you see as normal is not normal. So for you to say you want to take up activism, you need to go and study it. You look like the jungle justice kind of a guy. You look like a person that is doing this thing just to be able to see. One of the driving things, no matter for anybody, if you want to know somebody who is not genuine, listen to them for a few minutes. So that they deduce, I am the one. I am the first person. I am this. I use my money. I know how much I spent on bad skis. Is it your personal money? You are also making money from the fact that you are posting on the internet. Have you forgotten? When you see somebody saying you want people to see you as you are spending, you are selfless. You are not making them see it in you. You are doing the talk. That's a red flag. That is a fake person right there. That is a fake person right there. Anybody, when you are calling attention to yourself, you are making this Mohbad case look more like it's. You are making it. You are making it. I don't want to use the word personalized, but you are making it look like more about you, and that's what you do. That guy that ran to the UK, that was the same way. You turned his case versus Zeno to the case versus you. You didn't have any business in that case. Anybody that comes and boasts, there was a day you said, nobody can challenge me on this app. There's nothing I've ever said that they have challenged. They are challenging you. But you are not saying it. And that is another red flag. Because you are not correctable. You are not teachable. Sometimes when I do shows, in fact, let me be sincere, I run through my shows every time to see what did I say. So that I won't do it again. I look at even some of the comments, even when some of them hurt. You want to sit down and say, where is this coming from? Is this coming from a genuine person? For real, we're ignorant in it. Because maybe the person is new on Facebook, the person is new on social media, the person is not a social media person. Really, but you stumble on another page. I want you to brainwash it. I do that. But you are simply unteachable. You can't be corrected. And that speaks a lot. Speaks volume about your person. How can you come into the world and want to correct people? You are coming to come and call out Onekrim. They are not doing the needful. But you don't like to be corrected. Every time you see something, even when they don't direct you at you, you will come out. Iyabo just post today was not about you. It was never about you, but you came out and you made a video tonight saying you had a meeting. It shows a lot about the kind of training you are. What you are saying you want to venture into it, you know zero. Go and sit down. The people are people who talk when it is necessary. People listen then. You do little listening and a lot of loud talking. You want people's voice to, even when you are interviewing this same set of your questions are not They are not revealing questions. They are penetrating questions. You are penetrating them, penetrating them to say things. Maybe I didn't use the right word. Maybe I did. I'm not supposed to use penetrate, but your questions are more of answers than questions. Does Mohbad's wife also do drugs? Why did you how does that? Those are things, those are questions that those are not supposed to be main questions. Those are questions you just chip in when somebody is talking. I bet she too should do drugs. There's a difference. You are not good at what you do. I can ask you, so instead of saying, does she do drugs? Because you need to have sense to be able to let people that you want to convince and confuse. And that's why I said, even the manipulation that you are doing, you are not good at it. You know why? You are too loud. You do too much of loud talking. You don't listen. You could have asked questions like, you said they introduced him to drugs, right? Because that was what the lady said. We know where this guy got the drugs. I'm going to come down to that. They said they introduced him to drugs, right? Those are the kind of questions I would ask. What does the wife say about this drug thing? Is she passive about it? Even she also they take calm. That's enough alone. It's like 2-in-1 question, but it is not directed at the wife. That's why I said even your manipulation is not manipulating. But it is obvious that you tried so hard, too hard, to bring Zlatan into this issue. And because that one knew your game, he kept quiet. Because when you shouted down, you are now looking for all the soft targets that all of you have been bashing. How do you explain all the videos that are flying out after the numerous interviews that you have done? A driver that was called Chiokinshe personal driver, this person doesn't know them. He doesn't know them. They just called him. The period of time they were in the car with him till the time they dropped at the show is the only thing. And very dark man. This same driver that noticed a lot of things that can give you a lowdown of everything that happened in that car. I thought he was supposed to be driving. How come he is privy to all of it? You see that your manipulation is not manipulating? I thought his mind and concentration is supposed to be on driving. Now, if anything is happening, you would definitely notice. But he will not have so much details like he has, except if somebody has fed in or he has read about it. Can you see now that your manipulation is not manipulating? You can only do these things with silly people who cannot think. Lazy Nigerians, not Nigerians who are hard workers, who use their brain. That's one point. Number 2 points. The same person that said, Omo, Bo Yoruba, spoke Yoruba. Even better than some people who don't know Yoruba. So where did that come from? He didn't hear Yoruba, but he heard some of the things that they said in Yoruba. And the Jile Yoruba that he spoke, where did he get that from? Then why did you give him money for coming? I thought that these are people who are supposed to genuinely want to say, oh, we heard this. Because that's where, and see, people, if you don't learn on social media, you will not learn again. So because of the criticism that he received from that driver, he now told the lady to sit. So when he was introducing, the lady said that it was the lady that walked up to him that said, oh, no, so that it will not look like, oh, we brought the driver, we gave him money. That is to say, ordinarily, if money was not involved, that driver will not walk up to say what he said. Your manipulation is not manipulating. Show ritoba gberu sheye fun ru awa. Awo ni gba because mi o gbadura kan omo mi koju won ri bi. But I don't even want to put myself in a position to say, okay, let me even now pretend that I'm a bad person. The last set of people I will interview will be, I want to know what's it. If they won't bully your money. I do not understand how you want the world to see those videos that they saw. See, one thing you don't understand, I keep saying, I don't get it. Who raised you? When the news was flying about, Nigerians are debunkers. If you come out and say, the reason why people went for this guy, this Tamilari guy, was because of the videos that they saw. Are those videos AI? How can you walk up into a live shoot with cutlass and all, and you say, and then you are asking that question, you are interviewing that person, and the person is telling you with his full chest that, oh, boy, what can be? And in the video, you saw Zlatan begging and saying, no, and the guy was, in fact, it was more or less like the guy was expecting them, because Teba noticed a correlation in Mohbad going in video. Emma Mokwe is always constantly fearing for his life. So tell me how that did not amount to bullying. What are you trying to clear exactly? Even spending video did not go as planned. You now decided to now interview your latest interviewee. You brought somebody that is loyal to the owners of this record label that this guy was bullying, that is loyal to the people in that record label. Somebody that they brought his video out recently. And by the way, lady, if you are still doing drugs, I think you should speak to yourself now before it's too late. That's my advice. I will not say more than that if you are still doing it. So, you now brought out that lady as if I don't even get. Do you feel that we are in South Sudan? Nigerians are well-read people, you know. We have the best of the best scattered all over the world. I think in that your small box, you feel that the world is in that your small box. Because, understand the horizon of this particular, even the dynamics of what you're doing, you don't get it. You will now bring out somebody for videos that are online. You ask that lady, and I'm asking, what has that video that lady spoke about has to do with this justice? If I really look at it, from your own point of view, nothing. But from the justice part of view, one thing to see is the fact that there were drugs dealing in the Malian house. So please, can you tell me why you are trying to change the narrative? She said so many things. Girl, you said Wunmi was the one that charged at those people. I am sure that if you go on Instagram, on Amebo's page, you will go and watch that same video again. Although you're a participant in that video, but it seems that maybe you have a memory loss. So let me describe it to you. That video, you were not the only one recording. According to you, you said you were the one recording. You were not the only one because you were flashed in a camera that was far away. You cannot hold a camera in your hand and then you will be flashed by that same your camera. You had multiple people recording. The video that was posted online didn't come from your phone. If that video had come only from your phone, it would have been a lot of issues. But the second video came from you because if you notice, don't join video in together. The first video, in fact, there were three like scenes in that video. The first time when those people, I think the guys already caught the fact that these NDLE guys were around. So somebody was recording them, trying to scale the fence, trying to break into that apartment that they were. If you have not seen this video, please go on Amebo on Instagram and go and see it. Now, in that particular video, when they eventually were able to, we suddenly saw Zeno in handcuffs. Mohbad was not handcuffed. So I guess maybe Zeno, because Zeno was begging. I didn't know what happened. I'm not there. Then the video flashed you at the doorpost. You were standing there. You held your phone. You were also recording, ma. Auntie. And while you were recording, these people, the guys were charging violently at those NDLA guys. Even with the fact that they had guns. They didn't want them to take away Zeno. They were charging. They wanted to take all of them. They were charging at them. And they wanted to gain entrance into the house, which I think they eventually did. Auntie, on the internet, when this raid happened, that same night, it started flying everywhere. That NDLEA raided them and caught them with molly and cannabis. You can Google it, Auntie. I felt that your brain should have Googled those things first. Should have told you, before I go and lie, let me first of all watch this thing so I can twist it. That thing is not AI. It came from, thank God it didn't even come from Wumi's phone. It didn't come from Mohbad's phone. You'd have said maybe they doctored it. It came from one of you, or from 2 or 3 of you. In this same video, while the guys were charging, one of the NDLA guys who was close to the door became so frustrated and raised his gun. And when he raised that gun, láti bully àwọn tó wà lẹ́nu ọ̀nà, because somebody was saying, where is your search warrant? Your voice was in that thing. Somebody said it was Wunmi that said it. Yes, Wunmi echoed what you said. You were the first person that said that. Then, all that people click in her brain. Ibẹ̀ yẹn gan, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa ní sùúrù, mo bọ̀. Ẹ fún mi 1 minute, please. ẹ jọ̀ọ́, I apologize for keeping you. Ẹ má bínú. I needed to attend to something. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ pé mi fẹ́ pẹ́ náà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, wèrè wo leléyìí? Àbó lórí burúkú ni wèrè yìí ni. Àìmí ayọ̀. Àbí kò fẹ́ dá fún ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ orúkọ yẹn ni. Ṣé òun ṣe pé òun ṣí èrè? Ìwọ destroy Yorùbá heritage. Àbí kò fẹ́ ra gbá fún ẹni. Ṣé òun ṣe pé ayé ẹ̀ tètè bàjẹ́ náà? Ìwọ lórí burúkú má ṣàǹfààní. À ń gbọ́ wọn kí náà porúkọ ìkúrú kó kán láàrọ̀ ẹ̀ ń sórí burúkú. Mo rò pé o fẹ́ ṣòfò tilétilé yẹ. Don't destroy heritage. Heritage olórí burúkú ò lè fi sílẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Wèrè kò destroy heritage. Òun ló bá ìyàwó ìyálé tó bá nílé tó bá àwọn ọmọ nílé tó ń búlì àwọn ọmọ tó bá nílé. Mo rò pé o fẹ́ pasún láyé. Irú heritage wo ni Yorùbá sọ fún ẹ? Níbo ni ó ti wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá pé ìyàwó tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ ó máa wá ń dalérú? Mo rò pé kò fẹ́ dá fún ẹ, kò fẹ́ dá fún gbogbo nǹkan tó tara ẹ jáde. Where have you heard it in Yorùbá line? Yí pé tó bá fẹ́ ìyàwó kan, ó máa fọwọ́ lálẹ̀. No matter how rich, no matter how wealthy, no matter how famous. Tó bá wá fẹ́ ìyàwó, á máa fọwọ́ lálẹ̀ fún àwọn tó bá nílé. Á wá fẹ́ sọ gbogbo àwọn tó bá nílé dẹrú tó máa jẹ lábẹ́. Bó ṣe sọ yẹn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ pátápátá báyìí, gbogbo ibikíbi tó bá wà báyìí, wọ́n máa fi wọ́n ṣe ẹrú ni. Wọ́n máa fi wọ́n ṣe ẹrú ìwọ tó wà lábẹ́. Ìwọ gan bó ṣe wà yẹn, gbogbo nǹkan tó bá jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó yẹ kó tọ́ sí ẹ̀, wọ́n máa gbé fólógbò jẹ ni. Ìwà ayé ẹrú ló máa fi ẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn. Mo ti wọ́n ní yín tẹ́lẹ̀. Mo sọ fún yín pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́nu sí yín lálẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ṣẹ mọ́ ìṣẹ̀dá yín ni. Mo rò pé lórí burúkú ni ẹ́. Heritage wo ló gbé sílẹ̀? Is it part of the heritage of Yorùbá land that tó bá fẹ́ ìyàwó kan, ó máa wá mú gbogbo ilé, ó máa sọ dahoro? Ó máa sọ gbogbo ilé dahoro. Ṣé wà nínú heritage Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀? Àbí wèrè wo ló ń sọ pé òun fẹ́ join fídíò mi ṣe ṣí èrè? Àbí kò fẹ́ dá fún ẹni yẹn ni? Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé lálẹ́ yìí o. Mo múra yín wá ni o. Ibo ló wà nínú heritage Yorùbá? Ipe ìwọ ìyàwó tó fẹ́, wọ́n wá fẹ́ tán, àròjọ aráyé dẹ̀ wọnú ilé yẹn. Ibo wà nínú heritage Yorùbá pé bàbá máa fi okó bí ọmọ for the past 4-5 years. Kò ní 1 naira, 1 single naira láti ná lórí àwọn ọmọ yẹn láti jọjọ ẹ̀. Nítorí pé ó ń bínú sí ìyá wọn. Tó bá yá pé ìwọ wèrè kó lọ wà lábẹ́ kìíní, bó ṣe wà yẹn, ẹ̀sìn tó ó ṣe máa ṣe ẹ̀sìn tó jẹ́ ó tẹ̀ ti ṣe ẹ̀sìn wo ló tún fẹ́ kù tó fẹ́ ṣe ju tó ń ṣe lọ. Bó ṣe wà yẹn, ọ̀rẹ́ ò ní níyànjú. Tó bá jẹ́ ara àwọn wèrè tó tẹ̀lé káàkiri ni, níbikíbi tó wà lábẹ́ ìṣẹ̀dá yìí, gbogbo nǹkan tó béèrè tó sọ pé heritage yìí, níbi tó bá ti rí nínú heritage Yorùbá, tó jẹ́ pé tó máa fẹ́ obìnrin, kò wá ní sísìn mímọ́, á máa fọwọ́ lálẹ̀ fáwọn tó bá nílé, á máa ní kọ́ lọ mú DNA, á máa sọ fún àwọn obìnrin yẹn, á máa stylish sọ fún wọn pé ọkọ sọ pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn òun ṣọ́kùn òun ní nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́. Gbogbo ibikíbi táwọn bá mú ọmọ ẹ bá lọ, gbogbo ibi tó bá rí wọn á lọ látakò. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa ṣe wọ́n bí ẹrú. Ìwọ gan gbogbo nǹkan tó tọ́ sí ẹ tó jẹ́ nítorí tó tiẹ̀ ti ń jẹ gan, ó máa lójú àìmí ẹ̀ báyìí náà fún máa gbé fún ẹni tí ò deserve ẹ̀. Kò ní yẹ ó máa yẹ dànù fún ẹ. Kò ní yẹ ó máa yẹ dànù fún ẹni. Kò ní dá fún ẹ tilétilé ni mo sọ. Tọ̀nàtọ̀nà gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ó máa bàjẹ́ fún ẹ. Ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá heritage. Ibo ló wà nínú Yorùbá heritage pé bàbá ọmọ ò ní ṣe fún ọmọ, kò mọ bọ́mọ ṣe ń wọṣọ, kò mọ bọ́ ṣe ń lọ sí school. Ibo ló wà nínú Yorùbá heritage pé ìyàwó máa fọ́ọ̀sì bàbá ọmọ débi pé bàbá ọmọ ò ní ní ọpọlọ, ó máa dá ọmọ àti ìyàwó tó fẹ́, ó máa dà wọ́n síta, ó máa pe ìyàwó ẹ̀ ní olóṣó nítorí bó ṣe fẹ́ ìyàwó kan. Ṣé Yorùbá heritage náà nìyẹn? Ó dá wọn síta not thinking bóyá ní òjò bóyá ní ẹ̀rùn náà máa sùn. Kò mọ bí táwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ wọ̀ sí for the past several years. Ṣé nǹkan tí Yorùbá heritage kọ́ wa nìyẹn? Òfò ló máa ṣe. Àbí bó ni Yorùbá heritage sọ pé kí wọ́n máa gbé RIP sórí fídíò àwọn èèyàn? Ibo ló ti kọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń support wọn tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá kò ní dá fún yín. Ṣé ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Yorùbá heritage ni? Kò kí ń ṣe Yorùbá heritage ló wọ́n dàrú everyday yẹn ni. Tó ń kó owó sí ọ̀lẹ lápò ó máa ná. Ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá heritage kò ní dá fún ẹsẹ̀. Ní inú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ìjọ́ wo ló ti gbọ́ rí pé ọkùnrin onílé ọlọ́nà ọkùnrin tó sọ pé òun fẹ́ ìyàwó ó kó lọ sí ilé ìyàwó? Ṣé ní Yorùbá heritage náà láti rí yẹn? Ó máa yẹlẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ó máa ṣe kí ni? Ó máa yẹlẹ̀ fún ẹ. Orí ẹ ti burú pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ òwèrè tó sọ yẹn. Yorùbá heritage yẹn ló máa pa tiwọn. Olórí burúkú, àwọn olòṣì, àwọn depressed soul. Ṣé bá ti rí gbogbo àwọn tó ń follow yín? Ṣé bá ti rí gbogbo àwọn tó ń follow yín? Àwọn tó wà depressed, àwọn mentally unstable people. Àwí tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá heritage. Yorùbá heritage ní pé kọ́mọ Ègùn kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ilẹ̀. Yorùbá heritage ní pé kó máa gbé àfọ̀ṣẹ wá sí orí kìíní, kó máa lu ṣẹ́rẹ́ lórí àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké. Nínú Yorùbá heritage ló wà. Má jẹ́ kí n sọ tó kù lẹ́nu ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ẹ lè bring ẹ̀ hàn. Táwọn bá wá tún rú àwọn olórí burúkú tó wà láàrin yẹn, bring ẹ̀ hàn fún mi. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú má ṣàǹfààní. Àwọn olóṣì. Wọ́n jókòó sínú òkùnkùn, wọ́n máa tafà sínú mọ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n máa claim victim. Ẹ máa pa sọ́ọ̀tì ìrántí hàn. Bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi lọ, kó lórí burúkú tó wá máa type òṣì. Olóṣì ẹni tó ti fi ọwọ́ rẹ̀ type failure sáyé ẹ̀. Kí n tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ lady yẹn. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ fídíò tí mò ń bá lọ. Torí mi ò fẹ́ ṣe pápápá kí n lè lọ ṣe nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe. You now said lady yẹn sọ pé òun ló ta fún àwọn guys bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo wọ́n ṣe. So nígbà tí wọ́n ń béèrè kíní yẹn, mo rò pé kan náà àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn or ìkan náà àwọn NDLEA guys yẹn security outfit náà ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe bí ọlọ́pàá ni. Ó wá frustrated, òun ló súnmọ́ ẹnu ọ̀nà. Ó wá raise ìbọn. I think bó ṣe raise ìbọn yẹn ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú threat. Òun ló jẹ́ kí Wùnmí wá gbáya. Wùnmí wá gbáya pé are you cocking your gun? Something like that. Nípa orí bí yóò fẹ́ cock àbí ó ń fìbọn yẹn threat wọn ni. Oh yeah, shoot. Jobi you want to shoot me because at that time, that video you join. Wọ́n ti ń harass àwọn guys yẹn. Mohbad wà lára àwọn tó ń harass lọ́wọ́. So ìgbà tí bàbá yẹn tí wọ́n ń threat wọn pẹ̀lú ìbọn ni Wùnmí fi fàyà gbé pé oh yeah, shoot. Shoot now. Those were what she was saying. And she was doing that because she has a man. And she feels that her man was threatened. Although, in fairness to that situation, did they catch them with drugs? Yes, they did. Tó bá kí n ṣe ẹ̀jẹ̀ àti àlọ́bẹ̀ yẹn, kó má dàbí pátó kẹ́ndì ẹ̀lẹ́ níṣẹ́, tó bá ń ṣe ìlú wèrè táwa. Tó bá fẹ́ káwọ́ àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n á ti jẹ́ kó ń lo drugs yẹn kó wọ́n high, wọ́n wá lọ raid wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ìlú táwa. Ó lè jẹ́ ara, mẹ́rin kí n sọ. Wọ́n ní, so náà fi arrest wọn. Ìwọ wá sọ pé you painted the whole scene as if she was the one that made the whole scene escalate. There was already an escalation. It was even because of that escalation that made the policeman use that gun to threaten. And that was what brought our own escalation. So please, how do you explain that? You came on national TV, or national social media, or whatever. Something that is worldwide. To come and tell us that somebody started the fire. At the end of the day, we saw that it was not the person. It was the group of people there. There were a lot of guys shouting in that video. Why did you single her out? You came, you said you were Mohbad's best friend. How? Best friend near, but you are girlfriend to the person in fault. Now, this boyfriend of his, I don't want to mention his name. We all know him. Of us, rather. Only ìgbà tí boyfriend ó máa fi dé, ó ní Mohbad dé bá wọn jà. Ní ìgbà tí wọ́n kó wọn lọ, wọ́n release Mohbad. Mohbad claim pé wọ́n fún wọn lómi kan. You did not talk about that. Water. Mohbad suspected that they gave him the water, but they did not give any to more bad drugs gongolowe, which was Zino. What happened? As at this time, in quotes, you understand it now. As at the time, there is already a tussle. There's already like an hidden battle between Mohbad and his record label. They already had issues. And you will ask me how I knew. When these events were unfolding, there were certain videos that were made by a set of people. So they sumo Mohbad nibayin, to de sumo àwọn Malians no nibayin. Ní ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀, ní that particular September, most of those videos that were made, you will hardly find, except for the ones that were manipulated later by bloggers. They were actually the things that happened that were said. It was later that bloggers started manipulating these people. Not to kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú. Suddenly we started saying, Prime Boy saying, baja. They had a scruffle, they did not have a scruffle. So, I don't understand you, madam, auntie. Me understand you. Can you explain AI in a video tari? So, how is it not in line with what you said? You happen to be somebody that you would like to hear them say. Ìwọ nìkan ni nail technician sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé, ìwọ nìkan ló sọ pé boyfriend sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé, ìwọ nìkan ló mú video kan wá nínú ilé. You guys were planning how you were going to attack this couple. But because they weren't planning evil for you like you were planning for them, or place in yellow wall. Because if you want to say that Ngotimo Sonsemi correct, how is it that a video that Wunmi recorded on her phone when Mohbad was talking to she was family and he sent it to a friend saying she ready to bear it. How did it get to you? Was it you she sent it to? You told us in your interview that somebody showed you that video. How did it now get to your own phone? Because they asked you the golden question. And you said that video was not physically released by you. But we can now help you end the statement by saying, but it came from my phone. People should go and look at that particular part of the interview. You didn't come straight to say, no, if you had nothing to do with the release of that video, you would have said, no, I didn't. I don't know how the video was released. I don't have anything to do with it. I don't know anything. In fact, do I even have the video? But you claim to have that video with you. You said you watched it. You saw it. And you said, mental issues. Not the woman saw you. That was what you were trying to say in that video. Even the Okponu that was interviewing you didn't get that. But I listened to you. You were trying to buttress the point that the guy, because that was your intention. People, my people. If you want to ask us the golden question here, I have told you, VDM, you're not dealing with dollars. People want to ask, how is a girl statement and interview important in this case? It is important so that they can establish the fact that the guy, immediately after that NDLEA stuff, the guy has started misbehaving. It was no longer normal. He stated it twice. And you guys, even the way that wanted to orchestrate your thing, did not get it. Your manipulation is not manipulating. He said it. And let me shock you. VDM, Tobangbo, or Tobali Tumo, let me say it to you now. I don't know the relationship we have with Naira, and I'm not interested. I am not here to spoil his career. I am only here to paint the truth the way it is. Note that as you are scheming, he's also scheming. He's a UK boy. They raised him in the Ebutemetas of the UK, Peckham. He's in street. He has been in that street since he can remember. You know the street like the guy. He has mixed with all kinds of people in this world. And when I say people, I put it in quotes. And no matter how smart you feel you are, you will only remain a spokes instrument, an instrument to clear his name and speak. You will never understand the dynamics that goes on in that particular clique of theirs. The girl's mission was to put me in the center of that thing and to also let the viewers know that Mohbad, some of the videos he made, didn't come from the place of Oriekbe, but it came from the place of Otingo Mental. We saw it. But I am happy to tell you, my lady, that we also saw your manipulation and it is not working. It's very weak. You are 2 years late. The time to come for this interview was probably when he died. Maybe it would have been publicized the same way the video you didn't know about the release. And the voice note that Mohbad don't record, because I don't understand. Wunmi recorded the husband's voice, screaming and shouting at him. He sent it to somebody. That person, I don't feel in you guys. You guys were not their friends. You were just planted in their lives to keep monitoring them. And because they were kids, and Baba was busy looking for him to marry a bigger truck than Koton. Every other person was busy looking for a way to milk the guy. They were playing with you guys, not knowing that you were planted in their lives. So let me let you know that I got my message. But it is weak. It will not fly. The guy is not crazy. You guys pushed him to that particular level of his life. You guys pushed him to that level in his life. You pushed him to the level of him slaving and not getting returns. You pushed him to the level of him to stay with you guys as a slave and never be free. He has every right to say he wants to change his manager. How can you put your cousin as his manager? If anybody comes now and says that the statement I made about planting people in his life as monitoring spirit is wrong, why was it that it was his cousin, Naya's cousin, that was his manager? We are cousin or brother. You are also loyal to Naya. It's evident in the video posted. So please, if you are loyal to him at this point, do we expect you to come for an interview and say good things about them? You are Mohbad's best friend. Yet you fail to know that this guy was sinking. The only person that stood there, there are videos of that guy, of Mohbad, thanking Bella. Yeah, guy, I find you. I don't know the video. I find you. I don't come see you where you can't be. Oh my God, God bless you. It was like a voice note or something. We saw their cliques. We saw his happiness in that clique. But we saw his moody nature in the clique in Naya's house. So if you come out now to tell us that you are trying to paint a narrative that the guy was losing it, that was why he was doing those things, please stop taking drugs. It's not good for you. Shotigbo, ọmọbìnrin. Shotigbo. Mo retí video mo sọ pé kí àwọn ratels lọ dúró tiẹ̀. Pé they should go on your page. If you spoke your truth, why did anybody need to come and stand with you there? But because they know that there's a video that is complete opposite of what you said. They know the truth. They're just trying to bury it. That is why they need that pressure. That's what they do. He's using the numbers of idiots that he has that cannot think, that he can put under him, that are apologetic to him because they feel that, for the first time you see somebody that is speaking out, speaking for his pocket. You said, you are always hearing. Eddie, you heard when he went to report Bella to people who will introduce the CIs. Are you trying to tell us that he was doing drugs before he came into the Naya's house? DJ, tọ́lọ́hun fi ọwọ́ Ìyábọ̀ gbà ṣiṣẹ́, ó kì í ṣe drugs lẹ fún Labour wọ̀nyẹn. Abdemalians, the things, your logo, the things that you brought to our society. Ìwọ ló gbé Nobel to wa, ìwọ ló gbé káwọn ọmọ máa gbọ́rọ̀ wa. You brought very horrible, mannerless children like you raised. You guys were constantly doing drugs. Do you know how many times they've arrested you guys? So why are you telling the world that somebody else introduced him to something? Want to sort of balloon? Own it. Say you want to man laughing gas in here. Can you juicy? Why can't you own it? And you said you came to tell your truth, but you're hiding your own parts. Kokin ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí a sọ fún òbí pé kí wọ́n mú àwọn ọmọ gírí fún òun ni gbogbo tàrí. Táwọn òbí bá mú àwọn ọmọ gírí, wọn ò ní wà subjected sí nǹkan tí Mohbad ò bá wà láyé. The guy genuinely wanted to do music. And that was what Naira saw. And that was what he played on. And that was what he lost his life for. And I feel that at least if you will not respect anything at all about the guy, respect that fact that he genuinely wanted to do music. He wanted, he loved it. Respect the fact that they took that from him. I now see comments flying and saying, why are they trying to tie them to it? The guy didn't have peace of mind. Shemon Koto mean for his age to be hypertensive, Nisha. This is a guy that is doing drugs that I said he went clean. These are guys that will go on the stage, jump, do all those rigorous things. For him to be hypertensive is an issue. And to be hypertensive, kokin ṣe gbogbo oògùn náà lè fún wọn. Kokin ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ló máa, in fact, wọ́n lè fún wọn, tó bá fún wọn ní ìtó jẹ́ pé ó máa dàbí steroids, ó lè pa wọn. And that's exactly what happened with that anti-tetanus. But we are saying, what are the events that led to him being like that? The latest interview, tó wà nínú studio tó ń ṣe, the guy was not, it was correlate. But even at that, he mentioned some things. He said they cancelled him. He didn't say cancel, but what he was saying was that property pe òun, táwọn èèyàn bá fẹ́ pe òun pé àwọn rorin, àwọn rí voice ẹ̀, àwọn fẹ́ invite òun fún shows, àwọn fẹ́ share everything. Because it is a norm that the record label that you represent, because that is the contract that you sign. is the record label they will call. And the record will say, no, guy, ẹ má pè guy yẹn, kò wá okay, kò wá mentally balanced mọ́. That was what they were saying. Now, mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ìwọ ọmọbìnrin. Mo lọ sórí page Eleni, mo rí bó ṣe kọ síbẹ̀. You are like a feminist. Tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa obìnrin tí wọ́n máa ń maltreat. And I laughed because you represent the opposite of that in that interview. Ẹ lọ sórí page ẹ̀ kẹ́ lọ wo nǹkan tó kọ síbẹ̀. I saw some of your write-ups. You were always talking about they blame women for everything. Have you not come to blame your fellow woman for a fight that men started NDLE? So if you are talking to people, talk to yourself. You're a contributor. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. The point is, what killed him? O lè lọ béèrè. O mọ̀ pé what killed him yẹn gangan. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ní ẹ lọ sí the right place kó lọ béèrè. Bóyá kó wá dàdí ẹ lọ sí Kòròdú kó lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ kú ṣe máa interview wọn. Olórí ibú. Olóṣì. Aláyé ń lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. Oní jam question ní sọnù. Má bí mi ní jam question kókó ṣì lọ. Mi ò ráyè gbogbo orí burúkú tẹ̀ ṣe yẹn. So tell me. You're a feminist, yet you're doing the opposite. But we know why. You are a lawyer. I don't expect you to come and say good things. Bella stood for that guy. Bella was the only one talking. Videos. There are several videos. There was a video in the night that they were attacking him. There was a club video that they said something like this. There was another one who was in the car. There are several videos. Now, that night that they arrested you, don't arrest you going to Los Hospital. So I don't know if it is that night again. I remembered. He had started having scuffles with Nayamal but Koti home. But I remembered that he was in the hospital. Hospital looking a video. Don't sort of tell me so that don't say they gave him something. They gave him something. Don't try not to claim it. Maybe they gave him something. The guy, delusional. He saw a few things. Yes, he discovered and he said, keep life here running. Keep this live video running. When one of you guys, I guess that was mine, tried to collect that particular phone. Only, chauffeur body for me. Chauffeur pa me, one wala antono si mi abi, was the problem. And that was that fight that you were referring to pé ohun àti Henny Georgia. Shori, àtúbọ̀tán wà láyé. Wọ́n pè karma. Àtúbọ̀tán ni. Gbogbo nǹkan tá bá ṣe láyé pátá. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ní àtúbọ̀tán. Àtúbọ̀tán máa bá fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí ayé gbé. Ẹ jẹ́ kó rówó make. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ gbé ayé tó fẹ́ dùn? Báwo nínú even Ìkòròdú levels tó lọ yẹn, he was scared going. Báwo ló nínú ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ dùn? Báwo lára ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ yá? Àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé kiri, including ìyàwó ẹ̀ tẹ̀ ń attack lẹ́ni. Nígbà tó fẹ́ bẹ́, tó fẹ́ commit suicide, àwọn ìyàwó yìí kò rí pàǹgbà yẹn. Ìsìn ló fẹ́ rẹ̀ pa. Ìsìn ló bá yín pa. Obi ọmọ kò sígbà tó sọ lójú ayé yín fún yín pé òun accept ọmọ yẹn. Yet ẹ tún fẹ́ bully ọmọ yẹn náà. Ẹ wá ní ká dákẹ́ ká máa wò yín. Àtolóyè burúkú tó wá síbí ìbáyìí náà tó wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé wọ́n kìdí. Àtúbọ̀ tó ń bọ̀ fún wọn náà. Tó bá dé rántí alẹ́. Rántí alẹ́. Táwọn èèyàn tó bá mú ẹ̀ dáadáa tó bá mú ẹ̀ kán sọ fún àwọn tó ń fẹ́ yín. Mo sì sọ kíní yẹn níwájú ọkọ mi pé àwọn tó ń fẹ́ yín olórí burúkú yìí. Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn endanger life ara àwọn àti life àwọn ọmọ wọn ni? Nítorí pé ègún tó wà lórí yín ó máa padà ṣẹ. Nítorí ẹ ti tẹ́jú lẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ ti ṣe àwọn nǹkan tí ò yẹ kẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ọmọkùnrin yẹn kó lálàáfíà láyé. Ó tún kú tán wọ́n tó wá wípé òkè gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ kó lálàáfíà. Wọ́n sọ pé àwọn náà jù lọ́rùn náà. Ṣárí knife mark lára ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní àwọn ni wọn ò jẹ́ kó rí ilé ayé gbé. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n fi sílẹ̀ kó lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tiẹ̀. Kó máa lọ sí tọ́ọ̀tù kó máa ṣe tó bá ń rí provide fún un ilé ọkọ ẹ̀ máa balẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kò lè gbé rẹ̀ lọ sí hospital. Toró believe pé tó máa ká àwọn mọ́bẹ̀. Ẹni tó lọ sí photo shoot tó lọ sí shoot video shoot tẹ lọ ká mọ́bẹ̀. Ṣé òun ló máa dídì wá ara ẹ̀ lọ sí ibì kan? Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe sọ pé indirectly you are an accessory to the death tó kú. If you had gone to a proper hospital tó ní record ẹ̀ tó walking majestically into that place, he would have probably been saved. But you are the ones that made the guy kó máa borí mọ́ra. kó máa rìn kó máa wẹ̀gbẹ́ kó máa wò kẹ́rù máa bà ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ẹ́bùlì ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo fídíò sáré yẹn kò burú kò burú kò burú kò burú kò burú ẹ continue ṣe rí ẹ̀sìn tí VDM fẹ́ ṣe òun ló ti ra wọlé inú mi dẹ̀ dùn I don't understand video tó wà even if the guy made during his time are you trying to rubbish those videos ṣàpá tó wà lára ẹ̀ ṣó bu rẹ̀ jẹ ní gbogbo àmọ́ wa ọ̀rẹ́ last ẹ jẹ́ ká wá máa lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká wá máa lọ ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́mú nǹkan kan lọ ṣe rí ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú amòkùnṣìkà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà motivated by money ẹ fi pé tí máa purọ́ mọ́ ń kọ́ kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ let me go and support you tẹ̀lé support irọ́ àtúbọ̀tán wà gbogbo àwọn wèrè kan táwọn gbé placard tí yẹn ń pariwo tó ń fẹ́ fún tó jẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́dì tó ń ṣe everything mò ń wo olórí burúkú olófo tó máa wá bá bàbá yẹn bẹ̀bẹ̀ tí wàhálà bá dé sí lọ́rùn mò ń wo lòṣì tó máa ṣe fídíò just like bọ́n yẹn ṣe fún yẹn tó kú nígbà táwọn yẹn sọ tán ní ẹ̀yìn tí ó ti kú ẹ má tún sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ mọ́ mò ń wẹ́ni tí ò ní bá mi dà fún tó máa bọ́ síta tó máa ní wá bá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn arífàṣejù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ so kò bọ́dà nù ṣé lè ṣe anything ilé ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ trend ni olórí burúkú ni àwọn olórí burúkú bíi tìtẹ̀ náà ló máa attract àwọn arífàṣejù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ àwọn dàbá ẹ jẹ́ ká wá máa lọ ìfẹ̀kàn tẹ́lẹ̀ ńkẹ́ ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ gbogbo alámọ̀yìn ìyẹn ó ṣe news ẹ jẹ́ wá máa lọ mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ìpè ẹjọ́ ìwà thank you so much for your support always ẹ bá wa patronize àwọn brand tí à ń influence fún aláṣọ wa oní gold oní cream ẹ bá wa patronize gbogbo wọn may God bless you as you do so take this with you today rere ló pé ìka ò pé kò wá sí bí irọ́ ṣe lè lọ lógún ọdún ní ìjọ tí òtítọ́ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn àjò ẹ̀ a few seconds ló máa fi bá keep bringing it on we have videos that is not AI that will debunk all your lies you want to come and tell us that he wasn't bullied that he was delusional we are waiting you want to come and tell us that he died somebody dropped them off show sunle one more juni he died and then a nurse came and gave dead body injection àwọn àbí fún yín we are here ẹ ṣé everybody mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ má bínú pé mi nílé pè wá individually mo appreciate gbogbo yín may God bless you lágbára Ọlọ́run bẹ ṣe ń support the real things ten support tòótọ́ Ọlọ́run bàbá mi mú ilé àti ọ̀nà yín bàbá mi bless ẹ kí n tó lọ ẹ̀yin ìyá ẹ jẹ́ ká mójútó àwọn ọmọ wa ẹ̀yin bàbá mi sọ yín scam donor olórí burúkú especially olórí burúkú kan náà tó sọ tó wá bíbà tó wá ń sọ kí náà porúkọ ẹ kí lorúkọ olórí burúkú yẹn Kúnlé Àtọ́ba tẹ́lẹ̀ olórí burúkú táyé ẹ̀ ti pin spam donor waste of a man olóṣì aláyé pin deadbeat dad báwo lè ṣe fẹ́ mọ bó ṣe fẹ́ rí lára ìgbà tó bá àwọn ìyá ó kàn kó bò wọ́n ni olórí burúkú ò mọ bó ṣe easy láti tọmọ mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ bàbá gidi ẹ̀yin táwọn ọmọ yín wò lójú tó ń pè ní dad bàbá yàtọ̀ sí bàbá o ẹ̀yin ìyá rere tẹ́ fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yín yàn kan yanjú ẹ mójútó àwọn ọmọ yín o ẹ mójútó àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ mójútó àwọn ọmọ yín I would mention the reason why I said this kéèsì Mohbad ló ń lọ yìí o tí ìyá àti bàbá ẹ̀ bá gbárùkù tì nígbà yẹn tí wọ́n mọ right wọn lórí ọmọ wọn tọmọ orú ògo tọmọ wọn ní tọmọ orú nǹkan tó ní tí wọ́n rẹ́dì láti làkàkà tí wọ́n dúró pé kí ọmọ ṣe fún àwọn káwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn náà kọ́kọ́ dalẹ̀ tó kọ́kọ́ domi sílẹ̀ kọ́mọ yẹn wá máa mú wá létà tó bá ní àjẹṣẹ́kù kó jẹ́ pé ìtàwọn kan fẹ́ jẹ́ ó ti wà lẹ̀ tó bá pé wọ́n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ayé Mohbad mama ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń dé àwọn ìtàtúrí tó ń fly kiri ẹ mójútó àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ yín bọ́ sí ọwọ́ àwọn sharks tó wà níta tí ọmọ 20 years old bá mọ́kọ wálé fún yín pé òun fẹ́ fi ọkọ by force by fire ẹ pé jókòó kẹ bá sọ tòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ dẹ̀ má jẹ́ kó pé 20 kẹ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bá wọn sọ tòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má fi òye ayé yé wọn gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì wa ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi yé àwọn ọmọ wa pé ṣorí èlé ṣòtí rí wúmáì tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó lọ́ọ́ má rìn ní 20 kí ló ti mọ̀ nígbà yẹn bọ̀bọ́ yẹn káàkiri ẹ̀ yọ̀ǹgì ni o bọ̀bọ́ yẹn lo the better part of her years and developing years ó wá jùmù ó tún wá lọ grant interview bí kan pé ó ti kú ẹ jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn, ẹ tètè máa lajú wọn sí exposure. ò kí ń ṣe by force kọ́mọ yẹn máa ṣíkún ilẹ̀ kọ́mọ yẹn máa rìn. Exposure is what you teach them. You teach them according to the kind of world we are in. There are a lot of prying eyes out there. They believe pé táwọn bá mú àwọn ọmọ yìí while they are young, àwọn ọmọ yẹn máa wà submissive fún àwọn. Ọkùnrin tó bá ti ń wá submissiveness tí ò wá love, ẹ sá eré fún, ẹ má dọ̀kú bà yín láyé jẹ́. Àwọn ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé o ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀, ọkùnrin tí tó ń fi ẹran kan iwájú orí tó ń fún jẹ, tó mú àsìkí ayé ẹ̀ tó ń gbé fún ọkùnrin. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ rí, kò fi àsìkí yẹn mọ́. Ó gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, ó gbọ́jọ́ ọ̀la lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé bóyá àdúrà ìyá yẹn níwọ̀nba, ẹ má fi àwọn ọmọ yín sílẹ̀. Tí ọmọ yín bá at a young age tó bá lóun marry, kódà ọmọ yín, àwọn táwọn ọmọ yín ti wà nílé ọkọ, ẹ máa pè wọ́n lóòrèkóòrè, mí ní kẹ́ lọ chókì wọn. Ọmọ mi, báwo ni bẹ̀? Ṣó wà okay? Ẹ má jẹ́ kán farapamọ́ fún yín o. Kán má bàa gbé Sátidé lọ́wọ́ wọn, gbé Wednesday lé wọn lọ́wọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán bá yé wọn jẹ́ o. Don't let them feel that they are a second fiddle in the hands of men. And don't let your boys feel that by force, by fire, they can be inhuman to women. And if you're show them love, let them be close to you. In the era that we have, let your children tell you everything. Even the ones that are not important is important. Let them be confident to be able to tell you things. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn olórí burúkú ọmọ tí àwọn parents wọn ò tọ́ wọn dáadáa, tí wọn ò ṣe dáadáa fún, tó jẹ́ pé àwọn parents wọn fail lórí ayé wọn. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn olórí burúkú ọmọ yìí, ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n kó bá yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n kó bá ọrọ̀ ajé yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n padà sọ àwọn ọmọ yẹn di liabilities mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ yẹn fi àgbàlagbà fara gbà wẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti rí wọn tán wá ọmọ 20, 21 káàkiri, be wary of them. Tẹ́ bá ti rí wọn, wọ́n fi àwọn ọmọ tó máa lè tẹ̀rì. There's nothing like that in marriage. It is mutual respect. In as much as according to same, the man is still the head. There's something called mutual respect. Mutual respect does not mean that the head should not respect the neck. Ọlọ́run á kọ́ gbogbo àmọ́ ṣe. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ jẹ́ á máa fi lè ṣe lọ. It is well. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín o. Ọlọ́run á gbọ́ wa ṣiṣẹ́ lórí àwọn ọmọ wa, kò ní jẹ́ ká sunkún lé wọn lórí o. Gbogbo ìdílé táwọn ọmọ wa bá lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká bá wọn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣe finding sí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán kó sand ẹ̀wòrán. Omi ni ò tí bọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Omi ò tí bọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Mo mọ̀ pé a máa jókòó gbọ́ngbà mi, a máa rò pé báwo ló ń ṣe ṣe. Àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ní business nínú kẹfẹ́ wọn. Àwọn wèrè bíi tí wọ́n tán lè fi wèrè wo wèrè náà nídìí láti fẹ́ wọn. Ẹ má kó bá wọn ọmọ yín. Ọlọ́run á kọ́ gbogbo àmọ́ ṣe o. Kò sẹ́ni tó mọ mọ́tọ́ o. Ṣùgbọ́n you must do your quota and leave God to help you. Call him every day. Ẹ sọ fún kó ṣe ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ pastor, tẹ́ bá mọ ọmọ, tẹ́ bá lọ expose wọn necessarily sọ́dọ̀ pastor. Ẹ pastor mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá mi gbàdúrà fún kó má ní kinní kan, kó má. Ẹ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín ní ọ̀nà Ọlọ́run, bó ṣe máa wá Ọlọ́run fúnra wọn. Ẹ kọ́ wọn kẹ̀rẹ̀ fàdúrà sí. Tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan, tọmọ yín bá jẹ́ ọmọ tí ò kíyèsí nǹkan, bóyá nǹkan kan wà nílẹ̀ tó mọ̀ kókó yín kíyèsí kún sílẹ̀, ẹ sọ fún wọn, yá obìnrin ní ọkùnrin ní pick it. Ẹ má fọmọ kan tọmọ, ẹ má lọ tó rójọ́ ọmọkùnrin, kẹ má kọ́ ní bó ṣe ń ṣe ń jẹ. Ọlọ́run ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ wa máa lọ. Ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa. Thank you so much for your support always. We appreciate you here. God bless you. Ẹ ṣé o. Ó tún dìgbà kan náà o, mo kí gbogbo wa o. Ẹ ṣé, mo really appreciate yín. Mo appreciate gbogbo yín o. Mo appreciate yín. Thank you always for your support. Thank you so much. Mi ò mọ̀ bí mi bá ṣe dúpẹ́ o. Mi ò ní jọra mi lójú o. Àní jọra lójú o. Gbogbo àwa student àní jọra wa lójú náà o. Mo gbàdúrà o lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹ ní ṣòfò ẹ̀mí, ẹ ní ṣòfò ara o. Ẹ ní ṣẹlẹ́yà o. Àwọn ọmọ yín àtẹ̀yìn ẹ ní ṣíléyà. Lágbọ́rọ̀ náà. Ẹ ṣé o. Thank you. Love you all.
Máa fi ra product iléeṣẹ́ TL Natural Bar. Ẹni ìdàgbò jẹ̀dí àti pákó mọ́kódó dáadáa. Mi ò fẹ́ kí program yìí gùn sómi ní polówó lọ títí. Òun ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin dáàdì tẹ̀wọ̀ pé 70, 80. Òun lè ṣe lè gbé bọ́dì mọ́ ohun tẹ́ ní lónìí. Ẹ̀yin màámi, mo dàgbà mọ́ mi ò ṣoge mọ́ ẹ̀ tọ́jú ara yín ni o. Orí tẹ́ fi ṣèwé wà ń bẹ̀ o. Abẹ́ tẹ́ fi ṣe sisi abẹ́yẹ náà ló ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ o. wàláì abẹ́ àgbàlagbà mi gan sàn ju abẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ lọ kí wá ló dé tábẹ́ tó sàn yẹn tí ò sì ní lè jẹ kùkúmbà ó yẹ kó lè jẹ kùkúmbà ohun tẹ́ nílò lélẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ fún dádì ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n gbẹlura kí wọ́n bá yín togi sáàrò yín kí náà yín lè ṣe kíni kó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣẹ́rí títogi sáàrò gan ògùn ní lágbára lọ́tọ̀ iṣẹ́ gidi ló ṣe ẹ rí pé mo lo kíní lẹ́ni mi ò lo tv lẹ́ni so ohun lélẹ̀ ẹ ṣe kíni ẹ gbẹlura gbogbo ẹ̀yin dádì kẹ wá wo iṣẹ́ tó máa ṣe bákan náà ti gẹ̀dígẹ̀dì ohun lélẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí gẹ̀dígẹ̀dì tó ti jẹ́ yín lé ògógó ẹ̀yìn tó pẹ́ yín yóò dá mọ́ sẹ́yìn ríro jẹ́ kẹ́ gbádùn tẹ́lẹ̀ jókòó gbogbo ẹ̀yin dádì tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ driving lẹ́ ń ṣe ó wá tí affect ẹ̀yin yín torí truck tẹ́ ń wá ẹ wá làgbo gẹ̀dígẹ̀dì kẹ́ fi ṣe kíni kẹ́ fi treat ara yín àlàáfíà bá dé yín bá yín mo ní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lórí yẹn náà fáfà lẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra wig ẹ má rò pé tó ra wig tó já scarf mórí o ẹ má láìka àti wé scarf lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ̀ mí kí n wé kó rí bàmbàm lórí mo láìka ẹ̀gbọ́n so ẹ wá ra wig àwọn wig wà lóríṣiríṣi mo láwọn fine wig àwọn nínú wọn tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà available ẹ pè mí kẹ́ bá mi rajà ojú òní tì mí bákan náà èyí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra aṣọ sọ́mà ti dé ó yẹ kí n ti máa gbọ́ Lady K fún mi láṣọ tí máa fi rọ́ọ̀kì sọ́mà 3 4 5 ẹ ń kó nígbà tí ò sí sọ́mà wá dé sí gan ló yẹ kẹ́ bá mi rajà jù gbogbo ẹ̀yin mọ́ mi mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé síìmù mi yìí ló kọ̀ sí ẹ̀ síìmù mi tó gbẹ́gi sẹ́lẹ̀ òun ló dá gbogbo wọ́wọ́wé sílẹ̀ ọ̀tọ́bà náà ni kò bàjẹ́ ilé ọba tó ju ẹwà ló bù sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin mọ́ mi mẹ́wàá raṣọ sọ́mà tó bá jẹ́ 3/4 tí mo wọ̀ yìí ẹ lè fi rọ́ọ̀kì sọ́mà ẹ lè fi rọ́ọ̀kì 3/4 ni èyí tí òde orúnkún wà èyí tó kọjá orúnkún wà tátẹ́gùn adé máa fẹ́ sí yín dáadáa wọ́n là á níwájú so atẹ́gùn a máa blow gbogbo ẹ̀ á máa wọlé sí yín lágọ̀ọ́ ara so ẹ̀ ní fíìlì it ó lọ pàtí bó ṣe wà ń sìn yìí kí wọ́n ní wọ́n mú gèlè kan ní pàtí kan tí bá yá sí tí mo wá kọ́lọ̀ bàtà àti bag tó máa ṣe gèlè yẹn tí mo lo jewelries tó dáa wọn ò ní lé mi pẹ̀lú aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ pé kí n má wọ pàtí máa wọlé so kò sáṣọ tẹ́ra lọ́dọ̀ Lady K tẹ́lẹ̀ ló lọ sí pàtí tẹ́ bá tó wá fẹ́ lo àwọn tó tún wá grade dáadáa ju eléyìí lọ ó tún wà available mi mo ní wọn ní size by size grade by grade ló wà níbí báyìí bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn ìyẹn tún dúró bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra purse fine purse ó wà available lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra àwọn spiritual items ó wà available àwọn spiritual items wíbẹ̀ jẹ́bẹ̀ tọ́lọ́run Olódùmarè ni òun ló fi jẹ́ pé gbogbo spiritual work mi tó wà níbí báyìí orúkọ Ọlọ́run orúkọ Jésù la fi ṣe tó dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ bí idán ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ní ṣùgbọ́n tàbí tẹ́ ń fèsì yẹn ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀ kò sóhun tádùúrà ṣe tì tẹ́ bá ti tọ ọ̀nà tó tọ́ tó yẹ àdúrà máa gbà ogun yẹn á ṣẹ́ ẹ bójú ẹ̀yìn bá ẹ̀ ní rí ẹ sún ọkàn yẹn á balẹ̀ ẹ rí iṣẹ́ ṣe inú yẹn á dùn ayọ̀ yẹn á kún owó á wà ìfọkànbalẹ̀ á wà ọkọ gidi ìyàwó alálùbáríkà òun lẹ máa fẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá nídìí àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ lè lò tó jẹ́ fún spiritual mi ò like àti rojọ́ lọ títí pẹ̀lú àwọn spiritual items lórí social media but anything tẹ́ bá fẹ́ fún spiritual items ìbàjẹ́ fún ọfà ìbàjẹ́ àgbélé pọ́tà ìbàjẹ́ back to sender ìbàjẹ́ arọ́bì ìbàjẹ́ wẹ ìgúnwẹ̀ ìpè ìbàjẹ́ kò tẹ́ lè lò fún ẹ̀bẹ̀ àwọn àgbà ìbàjẹ́ kò tẹ́ lè lò fún àmúbọ́ gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ bá ń tájẹ̀tì kan báyìí á kù díẹ̀ báyìí á tún bọ́ ọmọ yín lọ́wọ́ kì í ṣe lásán kò dẹ̀ sóhun tẹ́ nílò bí kò ṣàwọn ohun èlò àdúrà tẹ́dẹ̀ máa ní testimony ayọ̀ tẹ́ máa jíjó ọpẹ́ tẹ́ máa mọ̀ wípé yes tó tọ́ ni Lady K sìn Jésù ló ń sìn alágbára tó ń gbé alágbára mì alágbára tó ń rán alágbára níṣẹ́ ó wà síbẹ̀ ó ṣiṣẹ́ àmì àti iṣẹ́ ìyanu so gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ bá ní àwọn kan spiritual items fún anything ìbàjẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ ìbàjẹ́ fún ìgbéyàwó ìbàjẹ́ fún iṣẹ́ ìbàjẹ́ fún ìṣẹ́gun ìbàjẹ́ fún owó ìbàjẹ́ fún business ìbàjẹ́ fún contract anything tẹ́ bá ní the spiritual items fún ẹ pé Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ àdúrà gbogbo wa gbà lórúkọ Jésù tó bá dẹ̀ já àwọn nǹkan fà náà ni ṣó ní wíwẹ̀ ni ṣó ní mímu ni ṣó ní fífi para ni gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà available lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ àwọn oògùn ọ̀fà lóríṣiríṣi because n tó máa sábà ránṣẹ́ jù nìyẹn kọ́lọ́ kó ṣàánú wánu ayé ìní ẹlòmíì gọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́ni tó máa rán sí gbanú afẹ́fẹ́ nígbà tí yẹn bá ti ní má darí kan iṣẹ́ tó sì ń gbọ́dọ̀ jíṣẹ́ abáyára wọ ẹni tó ti rẹpẹtẹ tó ti fira ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tí ó mọ̀ pé àràgbé láyé èèyàn máa ń fojoojúmọ́ dira ni abáyá kó sóhun lára gbọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́yìn tó dẹ̀ ràn kínní ìṣe ṣe wá lọ forí kógun ológun báyìí kọ́ lọ má jà bá wọn forí kógun ológun so gba anything tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lò ẹ pé Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ Christian gbàdúrà gbogbo wa àdúrà oníṣe tí wọ́n ti tó bá tí wàá jẹ́ pé àwọn lọ́fíńdà náà ni lóríṣiríṣi lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan àwọn lọ́fíńdà tó ní iṣẹ́ nínú iṣẹ́ aṣínà iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ́gun iṣẹ́ back to sender lóríṣiríṣi ó wà ń bí owó ilé báyìí sí iṣẹ́ back to sender ni ẹ kọ́ ra spray ẹ̀ sára tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé títa àwọn ọ̀nà back to sender ńláńlá báyìí irú àwọn ilé ilẹ̀ bá fẹ́ èyí tó ní iṣẹ́ nínú ó wà ẹ lè máa fi sínú omi ìwẹ̀ yín ìtò ní iṣẹ́ nú wà ìtò ní iṣẹ́ nú wà ẹ máa fi sómi ìwẹ̀ yín ẹ lè ra fi sínú omi kẹ wọn sínú yàrá yín àdúrà ti gbà gbogbo bí máa padà sí tó ti ń bọ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìtẹ́ máa spray sí bọ́dì ni very fine scent back to sender iṣẹ́ lẹ́wọ̀n ìfiṣẹ́ lọ́fíńdà lásán so gbogbo ẹ ló ṣe kí ni ló wà available for anything any spiritual things tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ gbogbo ẹ ló wà available kò dẹ̀ sí country tí mi ò lè bá yín sẹ́ǹdì ọjà yín sí àdúrà gbogbo wa gbà lórúkọ Jésù ipa yìí ò ní ká wa fa òkùnkùn ní wọn wá gbogbo májẹ̀mú ibi lórí ayé wa ọ̀run abá wa sọ di asán gbogbo agbára tó ń yọ wá lẹ́nu tó ń mú ìfàsẹ́yìn bá ìrìn àjò ògo ayé wa ilẹ̀ alanu á gbé ogun náà mì á gbé agbára náà mì ojú àti Sátánì àtàwọn ọmọ ogun ẹ̀ à ní testimony ayọ̀ àgbégbá ọpẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa rí Jésù Olúwa wa àmín 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 lórúkọ Jésù ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube channel mi kẹtọ notification bẹ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share program mi mo fẹ́ lẹ́dùnmáre bẹ̀yìn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ojú òní tí yín ẹ bá mi share mi ìfi bẹ́ẹ̀ sí nínú àwọn gúrùpù mi mọ̀ yín tí ẹ bá dẹ̀ ní gúrùpù Yorùbá Nation ẹ add mi padà sínú àwọn group because mo ti lose contact a lot of people WhatsApp mi tó gbé lọ yẹn ó ti jẹ́ kí n lose so many contacts so àfàwọn tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń pè mí ni mo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí bá sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn so bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn ojú òní tí wà ó ẹ ṣé gan ni ire o.